Hello, my name is Adam. I am from Malaysia. I live in a city called Penang. Penang is a beautiful island in the north of Malaysia. It is famous for its beaches and delicious food. Many tourists come here every year. I am 23 years old. I work as a graphic designer. I love art, colors, and creativity. Sometimes I also make short videos for social media. I like sharing my work online. I am proud to be Malaysian. I live with my family in a small house. There are 5 people in my family: my father, my mother, my 2 sisters, and me. My father works in an office. He is a kind and patient man. My mother is a nurse. She works in a hospital and helps many people. My sisters are still in school. They are 12 and 15 years old. They like watching movies and listening to music. On weekends, we eat together and go for walks. Sometimes we visit my grandparents in another town. Family is very important to me. Our home is not big, but it is comfortable. It has a living room, a kitchen, and 3 bedrooms. In the living room, there is a sofa, a TV, and a small table. We sit there in the evening and watch television. The kitchen is bright and clean. My mother cooks delicious food every day. My room is simple but nice. There is a bed, a desk, and a computer. I study and design in my room. Sometimes I listen to music or play games there. I like to keep my room tidy and clean. Every day, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get ready for work. I eat breakfast with my family before I go. I usually eat bread, eggs, and drink coffee or Milo. After breakfast, I go to work by motorcycle. It takes about 20 minutes to reach my office. I start work at 8 o'clock. At work, I design posters, logos, and social media content. Sometimes I work with a small team. At noon, I go out for lunch with my colleagues. We eat nasi lemak, fried rice, or noodles. After lunch, I continue my work until 5 o'clock. In the evening, I go home and take a rest. After dinner, I read books or watch YouTube. Sometimes I go jogging at the park. I go to bed around 10 or 11 at night. I have many hobbies. I like listening to music. I listen to English songs and also Malay songs. My favorite singer is Faisal Tahir. I also like playing the guitar. I practice every weekend. Sometimes I sing and record my voice. I also like photography. I take photos of nature, buildings, and people. On weekends, I go out with my friends to take pictures. We also eat street food together. Sometimes I go to the beach in Penang to watch the sunset. It is very peaceful and beautiful. In Malaysia, food is very delicious and colorful. My favorite food is nasi lemak. It is made of rice, coconut milk, sambal, egg, and peanuts. I like to eat it in the morning for breakfast. I also like char kway teow and roti canai. They are very tasty. Sometimes I eat laksa when I go out with my friends. I also love fruits, especially mango and durian. Durian is very famous in Malaysia. Some people don't like the smell, but I love it. I think Malaysian food is the best in the world. Penang is a beautiful place to live. There are beaches, hills, and old buildings. Georgetown is the main city in Penang. It is full of culture and history. Many people come to visit and take photos. The weather is hot and sunny most of the time. I like walking near the beach in the evening. I can hear the sound of the waves and see the sunset. There are also many food stalls by the road. People eat, talk, and enjoy the night air. I like the peaceful feeling of my city. I have many dreams in my life. I want to become a great designer. I want to make creative designs for big companies. I also want to travel to other countries. I want to visit Japan, Italy, and Canada. I want to see new cultures and meet new people. I also want to improve my English. I study English every night after work. I listen to English podcasts and practice speaking. Sometimes I watch movies with English subtitles. I know learning a language takes time, but I am patient and I never give up. I believe that with hard work, I can reach my dreams. This is my story. My life is simple, but I am happy. I love my family, my friends, and my country. Every day I learn something new and try to be better. Thank you for listening to my story. See you again next time.